I tried Zeus wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Zeus wallet app, I thought it would be just another crypto wallet. But after using it for a full week, the shocking truth is that Zeus is one of the most powerful, decentralized Bitcoin Lightning wallets I've ever tested, and most people don't realize how advanced it really is. On day 1, setup was quick but intense. Unlike beginner wallets, Zeus gives you full control. You can connect directly to your own Bitcoin node or run it with a hosted Lightning service. Most people get this wrong, but that's the real power of Zeus. It's designed for users who want to actually own their connection to the Lightning network. By day 3, I started sending and receiving Lightning payments. Transactions were nearly instant, with fees so low they barely registered, usually just a few sats. The app interface felt sleek and modern, but you can tell it's built by developers who care more about function than flash. By day 5, I connected Zeus to my node at home. This was where it truly impressed me. I could see all my channels, manage liquidity, and monitor payments in real time, all from my phone. It's like having a Lightning command center in your pocket. By day 7, the shocking truth hit me. Zeus isn't for everyone. It's not a beginner wallet. It's for people who actually want to understand Bitcoin's real potential. It puts you fully in charge, with no middlemen, no hidden servers, and no compromises. If you're serious about Bitcoin and want to explore the Lightning network the way it was meant to be used, fast, private, and decentralized, Zeus is worth mastering. It's not flashy, but it's real Bitcoin freedom, right in your hand.